How much should you actually spend on fuel injector cleaners? Because you'll find people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Royal Purple Injector Cleaner. Let's kick things off with the Royal Purple 18,000 Fuel Injector Cleaner, priced at just $6.48. This product caught my eye due to its promise to restore fuel economy and maximize horsepower. If you want a cleaner that genuinely boosts your engine's performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Royal Purple Cleaner not only stabilizes ethanol, but also improves responsiveness in both gasoline and diesel engines. If you've been dealing with sluggish acceleration or poor fuel efficiency, this cleaner could be your ticket back to better performance. Plus, it has over 3,000 units sold in the past month, indicating that others are seeing the benefits too. Now, some people complained about the size of the bottle being small, especially if you have multiple vehicles or plan to use it frequently. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a quick cleaning boost without breaking the bank, the 6 fluid ounces is quite adequate for a thorough treatment. This is perfect for you if you're looking to get a noticeable improvement in your fuel economy without spending a small fortune. Skip this if you need a larger quantity for extensive maintenance. It's a solid value for money considering the performance gains. Now, if Royal Purple's smaller size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its focus on DIY cleaning solutions. Product number 2, ThickPo Fuel Injector Tester Kit. The ThickPo Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit, which retails for $26.89. This caught my attention because it's not just a cleaner, it's a complete diagnostic tool that can help you with fuel delivery problems. If you want to truly understand what's happening inside your fuel system, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The kit features 8 pulse modes and can test 2 injectors simultaneously, making it incredibly efficient. If you're someone who likes to get hands-on with your vehicle maintenance, this can help you quickly diagnose issues like blockage or leakage in your injectors. Plus, it's compatible with most petrol vehicles, which is a huge plus. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that others value it too. Now, some users mentioned that the lack of a cleaner solution included is a downside. Here's the thing though, it's designed for DIY enthusiasts who likely already have their preferred cleaning solutions. So while it's an extra step to gather those, it gives you the freedom to choose what works best for your setup. This is perfect for you if you enjoy tinkering with your car and want a tool that offers more than just cleaning. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward cleaner without the added diagnostics. It's a good investment for those looking to get deeper into vehicle maintenance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a simpler cleaning approach. Product number 3, Herraane Welding Tip Cleaner. Let's talk about the Herraane Welding Tip Cleaner, priced at just $4.29. This might seem simple, but I was genuinely surprised by how versatile it is for cleaning tiny orifices like those in fuel injectors. If you want a budget-friendly tool that helps you maintain your engine's efficiency, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This cleaner set includes 13 different wire sizes, perfect for tackling the smallest blockages in your injector nozzles. It's designed for ease of use, and the quality stainless steel construction means it'll last. If you've ever struggled with a clogged fuel injector, having the right tool can make a world of difference. With over 600 sold in the past month, it's clear that budget-minded buyers appreciate its utility. Now, some might find it too basic if they're looking for a more comprehensive solution. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a quick fix or maintenance tool without all the bells and whistles, this is more than adequate. This tool is perfect for you if you're the type who prefers hands-on maintenance without spending much. Skip it if you need something more advanced or specific for deep cleaning. It's a fantastic low-cost option that does its job well. Alright, if Herraane's simplicity isn't your style, the next product steps it up with a more advanced cleaning and testing capability.
Product number 4, ThickPo Advanced Tester Kit. Another winner from ThickPo. This time the Universal Fuel Injector Tester Cleaner Toolkit for $26.99. This caught my eye because it combines testing and cleaning in one unit. If you're serious about diagnosing and keeping your fuel injectors in top shape, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive about this kit is its 8 pulse modes and dual channel testing capability. You can operate 2 injectors at once, which saves you time if you're working on multiple vehicles. The LCD display provides a clear readout of what mode you're in, making it user-friendly. With over 500 sold recently, it shows that many are turning to this for practical maintenance. Some users noted that it requires a separate power supply, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, most DIYers will have a 12-volt battery or adapter lying around, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive tool for both testing and cleaning without needing multiple devices. Skip this if you need something that's ready to go out of the box without any additional setup. It offers excellent value for anyone serious about maintenance. Now, if you're still on the fence about needing additional features, the last product provides a simpler approach while still delivering results.
Product number 5, Yuanry Injector Tester Kit. We have the Yuanry Fuel Injector Tester Cleaner Toolkit for $21.99. What stood out to me about this kit is its user-friendly design and the fact that it includes 6 size adapters. If you want a straightforward way to clean your injectors without complicating things, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The universal fit means it works for various injector types, and having multiple adapter sizes makes it versatile. The 8 pulse modes allow you to choose the right cleaning intensity, whether you need a quick clean or a thorough one. With over 200 units sold recently, it's clear that many find its simplicity appealing. Some customers mentioned that the instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty intuitive. If you're someone who prefers hands-on trial and error, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use kit that gets the job done without fuss. Skip this one if you prefer a kit with extensive features or diagnostics. It's a great value for those who want simplicity in their maintenance routine.
5 solid options for fuel injector cleaning, each with its strengths. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly cleaner, a comprehensive testing tool, or a versatile adapter kit, there's something here for everyone. Choose what fits your needs best and keep your engine running smoothly.